Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app. Go to your profile by tapping on Me, from the bottom right corner. Find the video with the comment you want to reply. Go to the comments. Tap the comment you wish to reply with a video. Now tap on the red video icon to your left. You can create a new video with this comment, or you can select a video from your gallery. You can select the length of the video, and then tap Next. Drag the comment sticker to position it anywhere in the screen. You can also use filters, add effects, or text, or stickers in your video. Then tap on Next. You can add hashtags, type your description to the video, and set who can view this video. Then finally, tap on Post to share your video. The video will start to process immediately, and you will see the progress at the top of the screen. The video has been uploaded, and it will appear as a reply under the comment on your original video, so the person you are replying to will be able to see it. So in this way, you can reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.